Hello students, welcome to Well Explained PDF. Today I am here with class 9th maths chapter triangles, and in this I will give you introduction to triangles. Now students, you all might be knowing what is a triangle. As you can see in this figure ABC, this is a triangle. Why this is a triangle? Because it is made up of three sides, means three intersecting lines. The closed figure formed by three intersecting lines is called a triangle. Tri means three. A triangle has three sides, three angles and three vertices. किसी भी triangle के पास three sides, three angles और three vertex होते हैं. Vertices means the point where the two lines are joining. You can see this is the vertex A, B and C. These points are known as vertices. For example, in this triangle ABC, AB, this BC and CA, they are the three sides. Angle A, angle B and angle C. These are the three angles, and A, B, C are the vertices. Vertex is the singular of vertices. Vertices is plural. Okay. So in this triangle, and the symbol for denoting a triangle is this. Okay. This is for angle and this is for triangle. This is the symbol for a triangle. And this denotes an angle. Okay. Now classification of triangles based on sides. ये सब आपने पढ़ा हुआ है पहले से. It's just for revision. आप ये मान के चलिए क्योंकि 6th 7th क्लास में आप इतना पढ़कर आते हैं. तो on the basis of sides, the triangles are of three types: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. As you can see in this figure, number 1. This triangle is an equilateral triangle because its three sides are equal. That is, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. An equilateral triangle is also known as equiangular triangle because its all angles are also equal. As you can see that each angle of this triangle is of 60 degree. The equilateral triangle and an equiangular triangle is one and the same thing. Now the second category of triangles is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Okay. As you can see, this AB is equal to AC. How can you see that AB is equal to AC? तो अगर आप यहाँ देखें तो ये 62 डिग्री का एंगल है, ये भी 62 डिग्री का एंगल है. मीन्स ये दोनों एंगल अगर इक्वल हैं तो the side opposite to the equal angles are equal. That is, AB is equal to AC. And the third category of triangle is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is a triangle in which no sides are equal. Means all the sides are having different measurement. As you can see in this triangle ABC, AB is 8 centimeter, BC is 12 centimeter and AC is 4 centimeter. Now what do you mean by the median of triangle? A median of a triangle connects a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. Suppose AD is the median. We are saying this AD is the median. So AD is starting from the vertex A and side opposite to vertex A is BC and D is the midpoint of BC. Means median जो है एक vertex से दूसरी उसके जो opposite side है उसके midpoint को connect करता है. A triangle has three medians. Okay, as you can see in this figure, AD is the median to the side BC, BE is the median to side AC, and CF is the median to side AB. Now, what is altitude of a triangle? Altitude is also a line from the vertex to the opposite side, with the side opposite to that vertex. Okay, but it is a perpendicular. Perpendicular means it makes an angle of 90 degrees. The perpendicular line segment from a vertex to its opposite side is called as the altitude of triangle. As you can see in this triangle ABC, this BH is the altitude. This is AC is the base. Okay. As it is making an angle of 90 degree, you can see that BH is the altitude of this triangle ABC. Now exterior of a triangle. Now if any of the side of the triangle it is produced, जैसे अब ये वाली साइड यहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस हो रही है इस साइड पे, तो this angle D which is formed outside the triangle is known as exterior angle, and the B plus D plus C is 180 degree because it is making a linear pair, whereas D is equal to B plus A or A plus B, and this is known as exterior angle property. You all have to remember all these properties because you are going to use in the solving the exercise, the problems or the questions of the exercise. Now the objectives in this lesson. The very first objective is to define the congruency of triangle. Okay. The second is to state the criteria for the congruency of two triangles. तो सबसे पहले तो हम ये जानेंगे कि congruency of triangle क्या होती है, फिर क्या criteria होते हैं कि किन्हीं भी दो triangles को congruent prove करने के लिए. And we are going to discuss about the some properties of a triangle. Then inequalities in a triangle. So we are going to discuss about these 4 points in this lesson. Now defining the congruency of triangle. So what is the congruency of triangle? Suppose there are two triangles ABC and XYZ such that the corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are equal. Okay. Corresponding angle means this angle A is equal to angle X. This angle B is equal to angle Y, and this angle C is equal to angle Z. Okay, A corresponds to X, B corresponds to Y, and C corresponds to Z. In the same way, side AB is equal to XY, side BC is equal to YZ, and side AC is equal to ZX or XZ. These two triangles in which the corresponding angles and the corresponding sides are equal are known as congruent triangle. And if we keep one triangle over the other, they will superimpose each other. That means एक के ऊपर दूसरा बिल्कुल fit हो जाएगा. So they are known as congruent triangles. Now we see that the sides of triangle ABC coincides with sides of triangle XYZ. Here, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. Triangle ABC is congruent. This is the sign of congruency. Triangle XYZ. Okay. This is the sign of equality, और इस equality के ऊपर अगर आप A बना देंगे तो this is the sign of congruency. The two triangles are congruent if all the sides and all the angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and angles of the other triangle. This also means A corresponds to X, B corresponds to Y, and C corresponds to Z. So for any two congruent triangles, the corresponding part are equal and are termed as CPCT. CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangles. So wherever we prove the congruency of two triangles and on the basis of this, so we are saying the other parts are also equal. We write by CPCT. By CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangles. Now criteria for congruency of two triangles. There are 5 criteria. First is SAS, then ASA, AAS, SSS, and RHS. You have to remember this, and on the basis of this you have to write also when you are proving that the two triangles are congruent. You have to write also by which criteria of congruency you are saying that these two triangles are congruent. Means अगर आप कह रहे हैं कि ट्रायंगल ABC और XYZ congruent है, तो आपको ये भी बताना पड़ेगा कि क्यों ये congruent है, किस क्राइटेरिया से आप कह रहे हैं कि ये या कौन सा congruency rule आप अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. Actually we can say there are 5 rules for proving the congruency of two triangles. So coming to the first is SAS, that is side angle side congruency. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. Okay. Now ASA, angle side angle congruency. Two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of the other triangle. Side angle side में दो sides थी, बीच वाला एंगल था. एंगल साइड एंगल में दो एंगल्स हैं और उनके बीच में इंक्लूडेड साइड जो है वो कॉन्ग्रुएंट होंगी. फिर है एंगल एंगल साइड कॉन्ग्रुएंसी. Two triangles are congruent if any two pairs of angles and one pair of corresponding sides are equal. एंगल एंगल साइड में आपको इंक्लूडेड साइड वाला कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, जरूरी नहीं है कि दो साइड और उसके बीच का एंगल होगा तो वो ऐसे ऐसे हो जाएगा, दो एंगल और उसके बीच की साइड होगी तो वो ऐसे होगा. तो यहाँ पर क्या है कि दो पेयर ऑफ एंगल, एनी टू पेयर्स ऑफ एंगल्स और एक पेयर ऑफ कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग साइड अगर इक्वल है तो इट इज AAS. Then is triple S, that is side 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 congruency. So if three sides of one triangle they are congruent to the three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. अगर हमें तीन sides दी हुई हैं, दो triangle हैं और उनकी corresponding sides are equal, then it is known as congruent triangles by SSS or side congruency. Now RHS, that is right angle hypotenuse side congruency. So if in two right triangles, angle triangles, the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. That is why it is known as right angle hypotenuse side. Means right angle तो 90 डिग्री का एंगल तो वो इक्वल होगा ही होगा, प्लस उसके hypotenuse, corresponding hypotenuse and one corresponding side is equal. Now coming to the first rule, that is SAS congruency rule. So this is, you can see there are two triangles given ABC and PQR, and from the figure itself you can see that this side AC is equal to PQ. single line ये आपको बता रही है कि AC जो है वो PQ के equal है. Okay, and this double line means this BC is equal to QR. दो साइड्स इक्वल और देखिए उनके बीच का एक एंगल भी इक्वल गिवन है. एंगल C is equal to angle R. Therefore, this triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by SAS congruency. Now coming to ASA congruency. Now from the figure, two triangles are given ABC and DEF, and you can see this angle A is equal to angle D. Angle C is equal to angle C, F, sorry. Angle C is equal to angle F. You can see यहाँ अगर सिंगल लाइन है तो ये एंगल इसके इक्वल है, यहाँ डबल लाइन है, ये मीन्स ये वाला डबल वाले के इक्वल है. और ये देखिए आप ये ब्लू लाइन दिख रही है, दिस साइड AC is equal to DF. तो दो एंगल हैं और उनके बीच की एक इंक्लूडेड साइड है. Therefore, the two triangles ABC and triangle DEF are congruent. This is the sign of congruency by ASA congruency rule. Now coming to AAS congruency rule. Okay, AAS means angle side. So you can see angle A is equal to angle P. ये 1 का मतलब यही है कि ये P और A equal है. This B and Q are showing कि angle B is equal to angle Q. और ये जो side है BC, this side is equal to QR. So angle side. Okay, angle side congruency say this triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Now triple S congruency, that is side. You can see this one means AC is equal to PR. ये दो लाइनें बनी हुई हैं, that means BC is equal to QR, and the three lines are showing that AB is equal to PQ. AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. So by side, that is triple L's, this triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Now RHS congruency rule means right angle, hypotenuse and side. There are two triangles. You can see two right angled triangles are there, ABC and DEF. Okay. So this right angle B is equal to right angle E. This B can also be written as angle ABC is equal to angle DEF. Both are 90 degree. This AC is the hypotenuse of this triangle. The side opposite to the 90 degree angle is known as the hypotenuse. Here DF is the hypotenuse. The AC is equal to DF and this base, that is BC, is equal to EF. So therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by RHS congruency rule. Now properties of triangle. Properties of triangle means a triangle in which two sides are equal in length. They are known as isosceles triangle. So triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. अब isosceles triangle की properties ये हैं कि जो angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. अगर हम कह रहे हैं ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC, तो it is understood that this angle B will be equal to angle C. That is angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Okay. अगर कोई isosceles triangle given है कि AB is equal to AC, angle नहीं भी given है तो भी it is understood. We can write that angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Similarly, if it is given angle ABC is equal to ACB, हमें ये नहीं पता है कि ट्राइंगल आइसोसेलेस है या क्या है. एक ट्राइंगल इज गिवन ABC इन विच एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल C. तो इट इज अंडरस्टूड अगर बेस एंगल्स इक्वल हैं तो इसका मतलब वो साइड्स भी इक्वल होंगी. दैट इज द साइड्स ऑपोजिट टू इक्वल एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल आर इक्वल. दैट इज if angle B is equal to C, it is given. That means AB is equal to AC. Now inequalities in a triangle. Theorem on inequalities in a triangle. If two sides of a triangle are unequal, समझ रहे हैं? अगर दो sides unequal हैं, तो angle opposite to the longer side is larger or greater. तो जैसे अगर ये larger side है, longest side है इस triangle की ये, तो इसके opposite जो angle होगा, that will be the greatest of all the three angles. So here by comparing we will get that angle opposite to the longer side, that is 10, is greater, that is 90 degree. Now in any triangle, okay, अगर हमें given है कि this angle is 90 degree या this angle is 95 degree और ये angle 120 degree है, कोई सा भी angle given है, तो the larger the angle is, the side opposite to the larger angle is longest. Okay, so here as this is an example of 8, 9, 10 given है, so this is a right angle triangle. So here by comparing we will get that the side opposite to the longer angle, that is 90 degree. This is showing that the angle is of 90 degree. It will be longer. This is also a property of inequality. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Suppose this is a triangle given 8, 9, 10. The measurement of the sides are given 8, 9, 10. तो कोई भी दो साइड का आप जब सम करेंगे तो वो हमेशा तीसरी साइड से ज्यादा आएगा. अगर ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है, that means the measurement which are given for the sides of a triangle, the triangles cannot be drawn. So 8 plus 9, 17 is greater than 10. 9 plus 10, 19 is greater than 8, and 10 plus 8 is greater than 9. So you can see sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. Now what we have learnt in this video, it's a summary of that. Two figures are congruent if they are of the same shape and size. If two sides in the included angle of one triangle is equal to the two sides in the included angle, then the two triangles are congruent by SAS. If two angles in the included side of one triangle are equal to the two angles in the included side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent by ASA. If two angles in one side of one triangle is equal to the two angles and the corresponding side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent by AAS. If three sides of a triangle is equal to the three sides of other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent by SSS. अगर तीनों sides equal हैं किसी दूसरे triangle के corresponding sides के, तो वो congruent होंगे by triple S. And if in two right angle triangles, hypotenuse one side of the triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent by RHS. Angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. These are isosceles triangle properties. Each angle of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree. In a triangle, angles opposite to the longer side is larger. In a triangle, side opposite to the larger angle is longer, and sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay. Hope you all understood about triangles. That's all for today.